What's up, guys? It's your girl Kalila, and I've got my girl Quinn here with me, and we are going to do a 10-minute twerk and club workout. This workout is beginner friendly. It's all about grooves. It's all about feeling good in your body and really just having a good time. Really, it's not that serious, okay, guys? So let's get into it. If you got on heels, fine. If you don't, that's fine too. Let's get into it. Period. Let's walk it out. Hey, we walking to the club now. Hey, who we see over here? Okay, some cuties in here. We're going to show them how to dance a little bit. But just keeping it cute with a little hip rock, side to side. Hey, rock it out, y'all. Real simple. You can kind of get low with it if you want to. Or you can keep it up. You can keep it right here. You ain't got to do too much. You might be holding a drink. We don't know. Then we're going to go one, double. And one, double up. One, double up. Hey. Sway back. Push those hips back. You got to push it back on them real quick. Hey. Wind it up. Whichever way you want, y'all. Just wind it. You can slow whine or you can fast whine. Let's step touch. Hey. So this one you can do when you walking through too. You can just, excuse me, I need to go to the bar. Hey. Yes, and you can do whatever you want with those hands. But we're going to double it up now. You ready? Step, touch it. Step together. Hey. We in sync, y'all. You see somebody doing this in the club, you be like, they on a dance team? Okay. Nah, we just be grooving, y'all. Period. Hey, now let's sway here. Lean with it. Rock with it. Lean with it. Rock with it. Lean with it. Rock with it. Hey, it's like you're swimming a little bit, right? Or no? Is it a swim? Okay. All right, let's grapevine. Step, back, step, there. Step it, cross it back, and step, there. Now, if you can't really get the cross, you can just keep it to the two-step. One more. And then we go speed it up. Speed it up, baby. Hey. You can add a little hip to it. A little hand. You can Cali slang with it. Hey. Or you can get hype with it. Hey. Here we go. Grapevine. Simple but cute. All right, now we're going to slow it down. We're going to arch that back. Snake back. Forward. Stretch it out. We got to give that back a stretch because we're ready to grind and whine. Other way. Snake back. And arch it. And forward. And arch back. Now stay on this side. Forward. Arch the back. Now you want to bend the knees and think about like pushing back on your partner. Somebody behind you right now, y'all. Hey. Don't let it just be anybody though, okay? You gotta kind of like this person. Hey. Other way. Now, if this is too much for your back, you can be here with it. It's like a little body roll. Push it. One more. Hey. And you can still do this with a partner too. See? Hey. Hey. Now let's snap it. Hip. Snap. Snap. Hip switch. Switch it. Just simple. We do this at the bar while we waiting for a drink. You can have your hand right here with your drink. Now let's go one, double. One, double. Sit in the hips, ladies. We're real sophisticated. You gotta put the pinky out with the drink. Did I do it wrong? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Now hip dance. Yep, just think hip down. That foot is kind of twisting like you stepped on a bug. Other way. Hip dance. Now you can touch the body with it if you want to. Just make sure your hips are going down. And switch it. Hip dance. If you want to, you can go forward with it a little bit. As long as you got that hip motion. Let's do one more. Hip. Hey, hey, hey. Let's get it. Let's go. Now let's bounce it out. Bounce it. Bounce it. Just step and bounce. And really try to bounce it. Bounce that booty. Bounce them bitties. Okay? And don't tell me you ain't got none. Some people be like, I ain't got none. You better bounce them little cheek legs. Hey, step it forward. Forward step. Forward step. Okay? So this is one you could do with your friend too. Let us show you. Hey! You just step it forward. Come on. Give a little neck action. Hey! Now forward. Hey! So if you want to, y'all, give them that knee action. Dust it off a little bit. Hey, 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 hey. Walk it out. All right. Side booty pop. Beyonce. Here we go. Up. 2, 3, 4. Let's do the other way. Now think about flinging the booty up into the air. Other way. 4 more. Yes. Get it. Now let's speed it up. 8 counts. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If we're getting too tired, we can still be here, y'all. You can still pop it up. Yes. Now milk it. We're getting ready to kick. Ratchet kick. Here we go. Kick it. Hey! You gotta say hey when this starts. So now we about to put our hands up, roll it and whine it. Whine it. Yes. It can be slow or it can be fast. Other way. Now let's go in a circle. 4 corners or around the world. Whatever you want to call it. Other way, around the world. Now we're going to hold our cup and don't you spill that alcohol. Get low with me. Hold your cup and twerk it. Can we get low? If you got on a skirt like me, you got to keep it cute. Hey. Can you put it on your head? Hey. Let's sway the hips out. Hip, push, figure 8. All right, guys. We're going to start from the beginning. So you know all these moves already. I'm going to call them out. We're going to do our little hip rock. And I'm going to throw in a little booty jiggle for you, too. 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, double. Nice and slow. Double it up. 1, 1. Double it up. Y'all got it? It could be real cute. We still holding our drink. You know, I'm a little mocktail. Because we don't drink and work out. Unless we in the club. Hey, hey. And now let's sway back. Push it back. Ooh. Give me pelvis. Give it to me. Like it, want it. I see that. That dude. He's looking at you. Hey. Hey. All right, guys. We're going to jiggle after this. We're going to rev up the engine. We're going to start off a little slow. Think hip side to side. Uh-huh. Let's speed it up. Side, 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 side. Uh-huh. Now go full force. Let it jiggle. It gets smaller as you go faster. Knees a little soft. Let me show you from the side. Hey! Hey! Get it. You got it. Let's kick it. Kick. Yes. This is our move. We gotta walk in like this. Just kicking all the haters. Like, get out our way. Hey, hey, hey. Let's do our hands up groove. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and freestyle it out. Whatever you want, y'all. Do the wine, do the snake. Have fun with it, because the club is closing. Lights off, baby. Dang, and people do not look as good when they turn on the lights. Not at all. Okay, we're going to get something to eat. I don't know what y'all doing. But before you go, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and make sure that you come back and work out with us again. Check out my Dance Fit Fusion Challenge and my Dance Fit Vault. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.